Hola.
Hello.
Surprise.
Since we are vaccinated, we decided to do it together this time. Welcome to AI Show. My name is Ayşegül and
my name is Vanessa. Welcome to the AI Show Live. Happy Friday.
Happy Friday, everyone. First, what we will do is keep working on Vision APIs today, building AI Playground. And Vanessa has some jokes for you, I'm hoping. And also, we will answer any or all of your questions.
Yep, let's get started.
Yeah. Welcome back. So we are going to show the cool project to you. All right, let's add our.
Here we go. Who's that?
Oh wait, that's too small.
Who's this handsome person?
I don't know. I think he was trying to communicate with me because I was just looking for an image, and then first thing I thought was George Michael. I don't know why.
I mean,
he misses me, I guess.
He must miss you. He's adorable, George
Yes.
Michael. Does everyone know who George Michael is?
We hope so. So this is our project so far. It's a little bit, not complete. But what we are doing is giving an image and then waiting for it to analyze. And our response is here. I asked, is this an adult? And it gave me the score of 0. And categories, description, captions. It is a person, wall, man, indoor, looking, staring. I love that.
He's definitely staring, very much so. Yes. You can't help but look at him. Lovely eyebrows, by the way.
I know, right? Yeah. So yeah, you can find our code at GitHub. AI Advocates AI Playground. And you can download it, fork it, install it. And then you have to cd into the Angular app folder, and then you can run npm run start. So that's where we are if you want to follow along. Let's see. I am disoriented here.
I know, this is so new.
I know.
We're so excited to be like in the same room.
I know. Yeah, there's another person. It's been a long, long time. Okay. Let's see. And also, we have, if you don't have the Azure account already, you can go to aka.ms cognitive services for free and sign up there. Scooch over a little.
Yep. we're working this out.
Yes. It's a work in progress. All right. So what else do we have, Vanessa? I think you had something to say to us.
I do. Oh, yes. So, tune in next week. We will be, well, not we, but Ayşegül will be talking about some more build stuff. The reactors, our Microsoft reactors, are doing a best of build live stream show, which is, I think it's going to be about 2 hours. So you're going to hear about all sorts of best of build recaps streaming from our reactors. And Ayşegül will be a guest talking about all the fun AI stuff. So you can go, there's one extra period in this best of build. But that's okay. There's only one. It's aka.ms/bestofbuild/AI. So you'll see like a list of all of the sites worldwide that are doing their best of build live stream, and you can sign up for that best of build. Ayşegül will be doing the US one at 9 a.m. on the 23rd, which I believe is Wednesday next week.
Here you go. And you can sign up on the meetup page of.
Yeah, there'll be a meetup page there, and like I said, they're doing it worldwide. So you just find the best one that suits your time zone, and you can check it out, or you can check out iShuggle at 9 a.m. Pacific time on the 23rd of June. That's next week.
Oh, awesome! We have Microsoft developer. Hey Peggy, thank you for helping us. Oh, she has the links for you on YouTube. Pasted on the chat if anyone is interested.
Yeah, we're on Learn TV and YouTube. So if you're on the YouTube chat, Microsoft developer / Peggy is adding the links for you all. So thank you. Thanks for all the help. But yeah, looking at, here we go. Oh, hi, Robert. George Michael from Arrested Development. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I've seen that show. I must admit, I don't think that I've watched too much of it, but I know exactly who you're talking about, that kid on Arrested Development.
I haven't seen it. Hi, Robert. Welcome back. So, Vanessa, what do you think about when I tell you cognitive services, computer vision? What can we do with that?
I think about using an image and either describing what that image is, like George Michael, or maybe describing that person. That's what I think when I think computer vision images.
Exactly. So we have all of these things. This is our API that we created. So if you go ahead and create a resource, vision resource on Azure portal, then there's a quick start thing in API console. I find this really helpful because you can test out lots of stuff here. So one thing that you could do is just choose your place. So the location closest to you. Let's do the describe image.
Yeah.
Any other you're curious? And I have to find my key here. Thankfully, it's hidden, and it will be hidden here too. Don't ever show or share your API keys. And can you add a URL for us? So
yes.
We can describe.
Okay, let's see here. I am going to grab a URL here. Let's see. Actually, I know what all these images are. But, whoops.
Hi, can I utilize full features of Azure Cognitive Services in free accounts? What are the restrictions in free accounts? Wanted to implement in my project. So the free account, let me put it up here again. Oh, where is that?
Oh, why is this not copying the whole URL there? Oops.
Okay. So you get $200 free, and most of the stuff you can even try out without any, any credits also. But one limitation is, I would say, for services that requires you to get permission, is, for example, custom neural voice. If you're trying to train our models to imitate somebody else's voice, if I train it for Vanessa, we don't want you to be using that data without the permission. So for some of those services, we have a form that you have to fill in, and then you have to describe what you're going to build with it, and then you have to be accepted. So you won't have access to them otherwise. Other than that, could there be any? I don't think so.
I don't think so.
So when you get a free credit, it's as good as real money. I mean, there's no difference at all. So
yeah. So until you use up that money, then, because it's $200 a month.
That's not a URL.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I know. Okay, sorry.
Wow,
it's not copying.
Yeah, it's finding. What would you build with the free credits? Let me know. I'm interested. All right. let's see. She has the URL for us, and she's going to click.
Just hold on a second. How about we do this right? Okay. All right. Then I'm going to hit send. Are we ready?
Yes.
That's what happens.
It will be below.
Ah, there we go.
Okay. Woo. Yes. So our image is tagged indoors, fruit, reds. Good job. And there's a caption and there's a confidence level. So can we see the image too? Can you?
Yeah,
paste it on it?
absolutely. Let's just open one of these right.
Yes.
And I will paste and go. Oh, well, I know exactly what happened here.
Yeah. Oh, it's nice cherries.
Cherries.
Okay. So what was our
It says
confidence? A group of cherries.
A group of cherries.
Nice.
Exactly. So actually, June is a cherry season here in California. So I've actually been eating cherries every week, every day.
I have some in the fridge. Remind me.
Yeah. My favorite cherry is the Rainier cherry. Are you familiar with the Rainier cherry?
No.
So they're the kind of white pinkish cherry.
Oh, yeah.
Those are actually Rainier cherries, which are from Washington. We're in California, but Rainier cherries do grow here, and I love them. So.
Good news, I have that too.
Yay! So yeah, this is exactly what the picture is of, and I just wanted to say that I love cherries. And if anyone would like to get to know me, send me some cherries.
Oh my God, you can't just be friends. That's amazing.
No, I can only be bribed.
So Robert says, get your endpoint and key. And then it's cheap. I think got billed like 20 cents for 5 gigs of data storage. Okay. So there is a charge, but then you can also limit the budgets of your services. Feeling my keys. Maybe this might be not paid already, so I don't see the cost analysis and then budgets. So you can set up the maximum budget and cost alerts here too when you create it. So so you'll know if you're going to be charged anything. Like I would set it up right away if you have a $150 or $200, and then you'll know you wouldn't get charged anything extra. Brooding, what's that mean?
Oh, was that about George Michael? Oh, yes, George Michael. His facial expression was brooding. Sorry, we're just reading some of these comments.
Oh, awesome. Robert says he was unaware there's different kinds of cherries.
Oh, there's so many cherries. We can just stop coding and we can just talk about cherries if that's okay.
Oh, so Robert says, I've been trying to build a custom vision API to track my hand gestures, maybe an object, and then map that to my mouse so I can control my mouse from my cam from my couch. That's awesome. That's a good use project actually, and let me know how it goes, and I'd like to see it. Reach out to us on Twitter. I don't know where else.
Oh, the GitHub discussions.
GitHub discussions.
Yeah.
Awesome. You're on it today, lady. GitHub discussions. So let me find the GitHub discussions link again, if I can.
Although I think last time we talked about GitHub discussions, you had called me out to say that I was not even on there yet. So, this is a good forcing function for myself to get on the discussion, because then I can't keep saying it if I'm not on there.
That's true. That's true. Like, people come to talk to you and you are not even there. That's not fair. Okay, AI playground discussions. So go there and please do let us know, because also I plan to do a hand gesture thing with Vision. So I'm going to work on this with Beth, which are a coworker, And we are going to try to learn about ASL, American Sign Language.
Oh, that's really cool.
Yeah, it would be really cool if you can translate American Sign Language. Let's say you met someone who's using the sign language and you're wearing a HoloLens or something. Then, or you can use your phone. Then maybe it will translate it to you really as a text, or even with speech and different languages.
Wow, that sounds amazing.
Yeah, it's gonna take some time, but we'll get there. So if you build it before we do, maybe you come to AI show
and share it.
Yeah,
maybe teach us something. I like it. We can borrow from Robert.
Yes. I think your project is a little bit better in the sense that you are not, well, you're starting with a limited thing, which is always a good thing. Oh, I think are we still on? I lost our, oh, no, it's here. I thought I canceled the whole thing. Okay. Oh, Peggy says she's enjoying Rainier's right now.
Yeah, they're probably still there.
Yes.
I actually went to a cherry orchard 2 weekends ago and picked my own cherries. Oh. I'm seriously obsessed with cherries. If you take anything away from the show, Vanessa's obsessed with cherries.
For now. I mean, we don't know what the next obsession will be about.
That's true. Okay.
So let's talk about why, I mean, how would you use these tags and captions? Why are they useful? So tags allows you to, let's say you have a lot of images people are posting and you want to be able to search it. So if you have the tags, it will be much easier if you want to just drill down to all of the pictures that has cherry, for example. And captions is very useful for accessibility again. Mm-hmm. Then you can use this caption for alt text on websites to give a description to people with disabilities, low vision or blind. Yeah. Okay, so what else can we do on the described image? I am going to do this. All right. Because I don't want to lose our stuff there, image and such. Are we? Am I?
That is, I think that's George Michael.
All over again. Okay. So what we can ask for is we can specify language. We can specify model version. That's latest. That's fine. And I'm looking to see if there's any. Oh, this is still the same page. Why? Okay, I'm going to do this. Go back to my Vision API and API console. Open up a new one. Describe image. Okay. Oh, okay. These are all of the things that we can ask because it's describing. There's not much you can say. So what else we could do? We need a little bit more interesting image. Maybe let's use a little bit more complex image. Do you have any?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Do we want to, let's see here. So
you can just go back to the other tab, that one, and then, because it has our.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
Okay. A little bit more complex, you say? Let's see.
Wonders. Are they the 7 wonders of the world?
We'll see. Okay. So I'm just going to delete this. That's that.
Don't delete the whole thing because it's just a string. Yeah.
But I'll delete the URL.
Yeah.
Oops. There we go.
All right.
Make sure this is correct. Okay. Looks like it, maybe.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. Let's see if I copied and pasted properly.
Mountain, outdoor, sky, canyon, valley, stone overlooking a stone wall with a stone wall and Great Wall of China in the background. Huh.
Do you want to see what it is?
Yeah. Yeah, you can use it. Huh. That's nice. That's a nice image.
Yeah.
Okay.
It is a stone wall, and it is more stone wall. So technically, that's an accurate statement.
Yes. For a computer, you're doing great. So what do we need here? One of them is the host URL. Okay. And language, maybe. Okay. And then we give our subscription key and a URL. That's all we need. So let's implement this here, right? So we are making some HTTP calls to the Face API, and I'm just gonna copy and paste this and prepare it for you. Just type. So, okay, we needed to have the vision endpoint here, but yeah, we do have the vision endpoint. Okay, and then options vision. So let's look at our options vision. It has the application JSON and subscription key. Perfect. So still the same thing works for us. We subscribe to it because the subscription thing, if you're not familiar, this is RxJS. Don't worry too much about it, but it says, hey, I don't know when you're going to get a result from this call. When you get it, give me a response and do this thing. That's here, which is going to be logging. Subscribe. Let's see. Right. And it's going to, yeah, you didn't have to write anything, but you can give it a try now, actually. Here. Let's paste your image there, too. Now it has the code because we're using the same computer.
Oh. Okay. So this is, but do we want this? No, we want the actual URL.
Mm-hmm.
So then I can go back. Should I choose a different one or use the same one?
Oh, it's up to you.
Well, let's use this one.
Oh my God, that's a long URL.
It's really long. And here we go. This. Okay.
And voila, vision, describe, response. And now we have all of the responses. So vision, describe. Okay. Is it adult or not? It's definitely not very adult. By adult, we mean
A human person?
no, I mean not just it is inappropriate images.
Oh,
yes.
Oh, I see. Adult content. Oh, okay. Oh, it says right here is rate. Oh, wow.
I love your reactions to it. This is important. I mean, if you want to moderate a discussion, what's happening on your website, let's say it's Reddit, you want to know if people are posting adult content or not, images especially. So
Got it. Okay, I definitely misunderstood that.
yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna let you try it at home. So categories, outdoor, stoneback, and description. We have the tags and we have the caption, and we can log all of these things. Okay.
Outdoor mountain. There. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Overlooking. All right. That's cool that it's tagged this way. So it is overlooking this mountain and the stone wall. Okay.
Okay. If you want to try another image, we could. I'll check if anyone.
Let's see, here we go. Let this one.
Robert says, "Oh my God, I'm laughing so hard at the adult content reaction."
Okay.
Things that happen on live stream.
Whoops. Okay. Is this? Oh, this is. Oh, how about we don't do that?
Yeah.
What does this say?
Yeah. Scroll down. So it should be new one. Oh.
Oh, what's going on here?
We have an error. let's fix it.
I've never seen someone so excited to fix errors.
I know, right? Categories, building outdoor, description, sky outdoor. Actually, this is, I don't know what the error was because it's here.
That's quite interesting.
Yeah.
Oh,
I don't know.
maybe that was when I pasted the URL incorrectly and I had to adjust.
Maybe. Oh yeah, that's right. Smart. This is why pair programming works. You don't have to think of everything. Somebody else will do it for you.
Yes, 2 brains better than 1.
Right. Okay. So we have the described image, which is great. But in this case, I guess we need to find categories because categories have wait, was not categories? So, celebrities and landmarks. So we want the details to be celebrities and landmark so we could see that it is there too. We have the options for page, and this is HTTP options page. Vision. Okay. Headers, parameters, details. Oh, we have celebrities. So you just type landmarks at the end. Okay. No space. L is capitalized. I don't know if that makes any difference. Yeah. Okay. And then go test it and see on the site.
Oh, okay. Oops. Uh-oh. Hold on a second.
Oh, there's 2.
Yeah. Were you trying to save? Should I delete this?
Yes, delete that. Okay, you're good.
Okay. And then here we go.
The first tab is our
First tab.
No, there's another one.
The first tab. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna have to. Let's see. I'm just gonna copy again, just in case I don't.
Yeah.
We're just gonna choose another one here.
Oh, but it has to be a landmark too.
Oh, okay. Well, let's try this one again because this one I would say is a landmark. But let's see what happened here. All right.
Okay, vision describe it is empty. That one. Oh no, vision actually. You probably find it in vision.
Vision response, vision.
Yeah.
This thing here?
Yeah.
Description.
Categories. Building. Okay. Landmarks and open to drop down there too on detail. Yes. Landmarks. Open that one too.
There's so many. Whoa, that's wrong. This is wrong.
I know your images. Yeah.
That is. If anyone is wondering, that is the Colosseum. Is that right? Am I? This is certainly not
yes.
Pisa.
Yes.
Yikes.
Yikes. I can see the resemblance. Let's try another image with the landmark if you have it.
Yes. Let's see here. I purposely didn't label these as to not give things away. So we'll see here. What's this one? I don't know. Let's try it. Copy. Okay. Oh, this one again. Dang. Well, okay. Let's see what happens.
Scroll down and open one of those. They're the same actually, so you can open either one. Categories. And
Description. Where were we?
Is it? Open that details.
Detail. That's where it was.
Yeah.
Detail.
Landmark.
Well, okay.
Great Wall of China. Yes. Great. And let's look at the confidence level.
Where do we see confidence level here?
Maybe the score is, sorry.
Oh, here we go.
Yeah.
It's 0.
Yeah, it's pretty confident. Let's scroll up to see what the component level was here.
Oh, very similar.
No. Oh, yeah, that's true. Oh, oopsies.
Very interesting. Okay. Well, I mean, you can't win them all.
But we certainly hope to. All right. Let's see. What else could we do? So visual features, adults, brands, categories, color. Let's type in all of those actually. And there's no space in between.
Okay, wait, what are we typing all of?
Face, color, I'll tell you what they are.
How about that? Yeah.
You're like, can we do some work here, lady?
Face, what did you say? Oh, you're going to tell me.
Yes. Wait a minute. Where am I? Describe image, yes. Okay.
You had me at face.
Oh, I wish. Do you remember the day we met? I do.
Oh.
You were like, oh gosh.
Oh my gosh, now I'm on the spot. It's like it's one of those things where, you know, you may forget your anniversary, your wedding anniversary, or I don't know what. It must have been in San Francisco, obviously.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Sorry.
It's okay.
Face,
faces.
Description. Yeah.
Okay. Oops. Let me go back. Oops. Faces.
No space.
Oh gosh. And then it was
Descriptions.
Mm-hmm. And something else.
Color.
Color, not colors. Or should we check?
Yeah. Right.
Oops. Color.
Yeah.
Okay. Got it.
So alt caps switch between your different applications.
Okay.
So go back to components. This is HTML, sorry, here. Go ahead, save it, and then we can test it.
Okay. How do I save? Just Control S?
Yeah.
Oh, yay. I know those. I know those commands.
It actually works everywhere.
Oh. Okay.
Oh, hi, Seth.
Oh. Hello, Seth. Okay, now we're gonna go. Now we go back to our application. Right? Is that what we're doing?
Can you? Well, since Seth is watching, can you do your best Seth impression?
Oh my! No, I don't. I definitely don't have a Seth impression.
Hello, my friends. Well, his voice is better. Mine's
his radio voice.
Yes.
No, so you would need to get like very close to a microphone and speak like a radio disc jockey. I don't think I don't know if I could do that. I'll work on it. I'll work on my Seth impression.
Oh yeah, he says yes. So Jay says, is there a difference between description and descriptions? Let's see.
Oh, that's a great question.
So you actually would need to use the one. Oh, it's here. Okay. Use the one that's in the documentation, which is description. So thank you for catching that. I have the face for radio. It's true. No, Seth. No, it's not true. You have the perfect face for dad jokes. And you need to tell us one now.
Oh, we're putting him on the spot. Give us your joke.
DF Mara, I don't know how to read that, but it says your boss is watching. What are you doing? You're so right. Like, we're just goofing around. We should be writing code.
We're definitely not getting paid for this. Yes, we are. We're totally getting paid to do this. Okay, sorry.
Carried away. Okay, no, here. Why did the chicken cross the road?
Oh, come on. This better be not to get to the other side.
And
we eagerly await your response,
Yes.
Mr. Juarez.
come on, Seth, you can't do that to us.
Oh, maybe
I think this is his revenge. All right,
Okay.
let's check an image.
Okay, let's see here.
Any Seth fans who know the answer to this? I don't know. Chickens don't talk.
Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one.
Yeah.
I like it. Okay, we're
Good
good.
one.
Try this image here. It's a new one. I don't know what it is. Let's see.
How many of your kids find you funny? I'm curious because there's a certain age. Kids are like, yeah, everything is funny, and then suddenly, no. Okay, we have a bad request. Let's look at the error. I didn't get as excited this time. Let's fix the error. Okay. Invalid argument. So specified feature type is not correct. Can you give me the whole message? Okay.
Scroll over that way. Oops.
Oh yeah. Thank you.
Well,
No.
that didn't work.
All right. So let's take a look. It didn't like.
Descriptions.
Oh yes.
That was my
Jane,
bad. That was
We should have listened to you.
human error. Yes. Somebody did call that out. Okay. See. Okay. That.
Christopher's. None of my kids think I'm funny. Oh my god. So sorry. But there will be a time they start to appreciate it again. I think like till 7, 8, 12, maybe, I don't know. Since adolescent, everything is funny and then nothing is funny and then you become funny again.
No, I think they just start laughing at you. Oh, sorry, Seth.
Oh. He's going to write a review for you, you know? Okay, we have an image, I think. Yes. All right. Let's see. Descriptions. We had faces. Oh, okay. There's no faces here. Correct. Captions. A mountain with a valley below.
That's true.
Ooh, very nice. Colors. Oh wow. Dominant color is gray and white.
Interesting.
Yeah. It even gives you the number for the color, which is really nice. Then I can steal any pictures. This is a good way to steal any pictures, colors.
Yeah, that's actually really. Let's see, here we go. Description.
Christopher, is that you who's drawing the shoe or Seth? It could be either. All right. Great.
Do we know where this is? I mean, I do.
Oh, yeah, that's right. So it might be in landmark, right? Categories, outdoor, detail, landmark. No.
Oh no, is this not a landmark?
Yeah.
Is a seven wonder of the world not considered a landmark?
Machu Picchu. Yes. Seth knows.
It is Machu Picchu. Good job.
Christopher is throwing the shoe to bad jokes. These are amazing jokes, Christopher. What are you talking about? Oh, these are my favorite jokes.
So I actually will be traveling to Machu Picchu next year.
Oh, next year. That's awesome.
My trip was postponed due to, COVID.
Yeah.
But I was supposed to go last year, and I'm actually going to do the 4-day Inca Trail trek.
Oh my God.
It's been on my bucket list forever. So next year, 2022, in May, I will be trekking to the top of this. Also, I hear that there are llamas there, which I would like to meet a llama.
I would like to meet a llama.
If there's anyone from Peru on the stream, tell the llamas I'm coming.
Oh, Seth went there on assignment once. What?
Wow.
Next time, I hope you will assign it to me instead.
Okay, let's see. Do we have any? Yeah.
Okay, we have an AI in our chat. Welcome, AI. I cleared AI 100 since I joined last. Now going for DP 100. Could you share details of Delta Lake? Seth, I wonder if you have anything about this, because I don't. But send him a message on the playground discussions, and I'll find out and edit that for you. On my bucket list is Las Vegas, I think. That's how you read it.
Las Vegas?
Las Vegas. Okay. We have the native speaker.
I could have just totally butchered that. I'm unsure. But I don't know where that is.
I know people who know things. Yes. We can get you that data. Seth says he's not a big data guy too. What about Windows 11?
Oh, yeah. I think that there is a Windows announcement next week, actually. Yeah.
Oh, yeah? Okay.
I mean, I have no idea what they're going to announce, but
you shouldn't tell if you do.
There's a live stream. I believe it's on the 24th of June. I signed up for it because I would like to hear what is happening. I believe you may see some familiar Cloud Advocate faces. Seth will be there. So yeah, don't know.
What about Windows 11 leaked build? I have no idea. It didn't leak over here.
It didn't leak over here. Yeah. Unsure. But maybe you can hear more about the Windows at the Windows event. That would be neat.
Next week, yeah.
Yeah. Maybe we'll talk about it the next time we're here.
All right, we have some other.
Any new questions?
Oh, Robert has a good, hopeful thing to say for Seth. Your teenagers will think that what you're saying is funny when they need stuff from you. So true.
That's how they'll show you love. They'll laugh at your jokes.
I love the mountains so much. I literally moved across country to be closer to them. I am judging your vacation destination choices, approvingly. Do you live close to Machu Picchu or
just other beautiful mountains? Yeah. I love the mountains too. We're very lucky. We live very near to mountains here in California. Yeah. So
it is a beautiful place. No California images that you chose for us, though.
Yeah, it's I mean, maybe we can try. We don't have to stay in the Seven Wonders. We can go to some national parks.
Yes.
Let's see here. But I'm very bummed that it, did not recognize Machu Picchu as a landmark. That's very disappointing, but
okay. So what I want to do is, if we can find the area of interest on this this image. So this is helpful for cutting down your image, but never mind. The result is not super interesting. Okay, do you have anything with text?
I do not have anything with text. But we can look for something with text.
Okay. List of domain-specific models, get thumbnails. Okay. All right. Okay. Anything that we should check out, or we can move to the other services actually.
Okay.
Let's see what you would like to do. Okay. Data.ms, cognitive services. No, services docs. Right, let's go. Vision. Yeah, we did try the phase 2, right, with the mask, computer vision. One thing that we need to do is to 3D print this whole thing that we are getting. But that's kind of front-end work, which I don't want to waste anybody's time with if they're not interested. Language understanding, text analytics translator. We can't do anomaly detection because it is it requires real-time data, or batch data, which we don't have. Okay. So, speech or language?
Let's do, let's do speech.
Hey guys, how to run a picture. And are the Windows event registrations open? Let's see. Windows, what was the name of the event?
Type in Windows event. I can look. Here we go.
Okay, all right. I'll paste it. Yeah, it looks like it is open.
We're going to paste it in the chat. June 24th. I'm sure.
Yeah, you can set a reminder here. Sign up.
I don't think we're showing that screen though. Are we
Oh
showing?
yeah, that's true.
Yeah, sorry. I'm looking at other screen with all that stuff, but yeah. Oops. Yeah, we can look at it. How about Windows event? Look at that. Look at that SEO.
Good job.
Oh, 11 a.m. Eastern. Did not know that. Yep. Check it out, y'all. Let me know what you learned.
John says how to run a picture. I'm not sure what you mean by that. Yeah.
We went through how to use the Vision API to kind of describe pictures. Is that what you mean?
Yeah. Let's look at the code. This is a little bit messy, but bear with me. We have an analyze image that gets the image URL from the HTML, and then we have the headers we are setting to have our environment key, and then we have some parameters. This is for Face API, and this is for Vision API, which we created a resource for it, and then this is where we experimented and see all of the different options, parameter options here too, if that's what you're asking. And you can find the code if you could use this link, AI Playground discussion, then you can see the whole project there too. Right.
Right. Any other questions? Let's see here. Oh, Robert, Jasper. So that's Wyoming? Robert is saying, I'm thinking because the Machu Picchu pic wasn't from a typical angle, that maybe it wasn't recognized. Okay.
Seth says there's also a second part of the Windows event for developers.
Oh, great.
Thank you for finding that out.
Yeah.
All right.
Check it out on Twitter.
I mean, in Python. Are you asking how to use the image API with Python? If that's the case, you have all of the choices here. Python quick start link is on the portal too, and then you can go and see all of the libraries that you need to install. We have a SDK, and then you can start using it the same way. This makes it a little bit easier to Does Vision API read videos? Have a video with some text in each frame. Any thoughts on what to do? So we have a new service actually for videos. Applied AI video analyzer. Okay, not this one. Oh, okay. I thought this was my blog post. I'm so excited about it. Okay.
I think we have an AKA for it though, for your blog post. Should we?
Actually, AKMS Azure Applied AI. A is capitalized. I know it makes a difference. Azure Applied AI. Yes. Okay. So this is the link. You can go there and see all of the available ones. And Video Analyzer is one of them. So you can do all of those things in one place. Okay. Go to documentation. Going to documentation is a little challenging from here. Okay, let's look at the use cases. Workplace safety. So basically what you can do is you can analyze things real time. That's a possibility. For example, you can have a stream coming and then analyze it, or you can upload all of your images to SharePoint or any database and then use it there too. What were you hoping to do? Yeah, and OCR, which is optical character recognition, is built into the service as well. So you don't have to do anything extra. Can Cortana work with it? Cortana with Vision, definitely. Cortana does whatever you tell it to do. So yeah, you can work with that. Or you can use the speech APIs too. So you can generate speech with using cognitive services as well. Oh, Jay says video indexer is awesome. That's exactly what you want. Oh, that's great. What did you use it for, Jay? I'm curious. John says, I'd like to have a training, guys. It's very interesting how to follow you. We have all of the links under our video, usually. So let me find a link.
The AI Show playlist? Yeah. aka.ms/AI Show playlist, I think. Do we have that?
Okay, all of the information about some of the latest stuff about this is here, aka.ms/cognitive services. And yeah, you can find us there.
Yeah.
Also, I was going to say, forgot. We have, if you are learning from scratch, we have this really cool 4-week program. It's all designed for you. All of the resources are in one place. You can download it. It's a PDF. You can download it and you can follow along, and everything's free while you're doing that. Cool. AI Show playlist is on the chats. aka.ms AI Show live.
Oh, I think it's like live playlist.
Yeah.
Because AI Show Live, that's this one right now, what we're doing. We're live. We're the AI Show Live.
It is happening now.
Yeah, there's you can look through like all the old AI show ever recorded. Seth and Aisha Golana and our show is here, so check it out. Yes, there's lots of good long 2-hour episodes you can catch up on.
We had our Twitter handler too, if you want to get. You can find me anywhere with AYS something. And what was yours?
Oh, at Vaness, VANESS underscore Diaz. I couldn't get my whole name. I'm not as cool as Seth.
I actually did, and then changed it afterwards, and somebody took it right away.
No way.
Yeah. Can Microsoft build its own ecosystem with the help of AI software compatibility? So I'm not. I hope I understand your question. So all of the AI services that we have, we actually use them, right? These are all of the research that's done over the years for a long, long time for Microsoft, and now they're nicely open and available to everyone so that they can use it. Lots of cool stuff. One thing with the image API, I think, is Seeing AI, for example. This has been around for a while. That's an app for visually impaired.
Mm-hmm.
And well, we do have it inside all of our applications too. PowerPoint, even PowerPoint. There's an option to create your slides called Designer, and then it does everything for you.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm constantly scared that I'm going to stop this live stream.
We'll never stop. We're just going to keep going. Okay. Let's see here. Robert says, I wanted to try using Lewis with Cortana to get her to do stuff a la Alexa, but haven't gotten into it yet. Okay. That's neat.
Yeah. Okay, so this was the video analyzer. So all of the things that you could do here, the video analytics, and it tells you it gives you the timing of it too. Sometimes I go back to these videos and put times, or Peggy does, so basically to say this happens in this time, which is really helpful, I think. And that's one thing that you could do with the video analyzer. You could add captioning, translate language. Yeah. And this here is part of the video analyzer now. So it's called spatial analysis. If you have the video from one angle, and then you can detect people walking, if they have masks or not, or you can say, are there any people in here? So in this example, for example, when that line is filled, they'll probably call a manager and say like, hey, this guy needs help.
Yeah, yeah.
The line is very long. So you can count people, which is really cool. All right. And Lufthansa is using it for managing between flights, crews, and everything else.
I did not know that.
Yeah.
I like Lufthansa.
You like it better now. All right. Tajib say, like Apple. Yeah, Apple and Google. This is the cool time that we can all use AI. All of these big companies, if they don't.
Ice cream trucks is on 10,500 Whitby Avenue in St. Louis. It's 1,731 miles away and is rated 3.7 stars.
Hey Google, stop. So yeah, Google Home.
Okay, cancelled.
Decided to talk to me. I don't know if you were able to hear it. So yeah, all of these big companies are making all of their research available and make it really easy for us to use. So it's awesome. One other thing that's really cool with Video Analyzer is that you can just upload it on a SharePoint, right? All of your files, and then everything will happen there. All of the files, you wouldn't have to do anything extra.
That's great.
All right.
All right.
And okay, let's see. I think they need some videos on this page, don't you think?
Yeah. we can give that feedback.
Yes.
Oh, neat. Okay.
Okay. Cool. There are a lot of things that you could do. So this is one of the services that brings lots of services like language and translation as well. So definitely check it out.
Well, that's all about applied AI, right? That's great.
Yes. Cool. Any other specific questions about? If not, let me check and then we can continue. 9 questions here. Okay. Oh, I want to try using Lewis and Cortana and Lewis that I haven't gotten into yet. Great. Okay. Have a relevant question just to switch it up. Is there an AI vision service that can help with 3D spatial modeling to work with VR? So I can have a cam watching me for interacting with AR VR. So
is that an Azure Connect thing?
One thing you could use is directly Azure Connect, and then it has all of the, what would you call it? Body skeleton.
The exo type skeleton. Yeah.
Yes. I think, well, for the face and stuff, there's head pose, but I don't know if that is available. The head pose is available. You might need to write some of it yourself, but you can definitely do it. You can, for example, detect the person, right, which is you, and you try to use it to delete everything else around it. Okay. Oh, I lost the chat again.
No worries. We were very rudely interrupted by Google Home, so I'm trying not to say that too loud. They're listening to us.
That was actually on our training, privacy and security training, not to have any listening device like that.
Gosh.
Where we work.
Obviously, we are not adhering to that training. I have 2 Google Homes in my home.
Robert says, okay, I have a new project, but there are some apps already out there I know that people are using to superimpose the 3D backgrounds when they're doing, like, playing VR games. So you can check those out too. Might be easier. Cool.
All right.
All right. Question: why Microsoft Store sucks? I don't know.
Oh.
Can't give you an answer on that. All right. Back to AI.
Let's get back to AI. Let's do it.
Yes. Cool. First thing, let's create a speech resource here. Click create a resource, speech, and then create. I'm going to call it AI PG for playground speech. Okay. And location, this is where approximately closer to you, where it is, and then that's pretty much it. Create.
Sweet.
Yes. Any jokes from you? You haven't.
I know, I haven't said any jokes. Oh my gosh. I have a bunch of them. Okay. This might be relevant. To our recent interaction. What did the turkey say to the computer?
Nothing.
He said, or she said, the turkey said, let's just say they said, Google, Google, Google. Oh, yeah. Okay, I know that was lame. I'm sorry. All right.
Let's see. So this resource, now we came to it. They have some, discover, and you can try out everything here. Wow, that's really nice. start listening and see what it's going to. You say something.
Oh, I say something. Okay. We're having a heat wave in the Bay Area this week. It's pretty crazy. It's been 85 degrees. It's been so hot. I went to the pool the other day. I couldn't even believe it.
It is a little confused now. Okay, so you can try it out here and how to caption stuff, which is really nice.
Okay, let's see here.
I want to make an OS compatible with every AI, Windows, Linux, Mac OS. Well, you can, I don't know, if you need that OS, because there's web, right? Like it works in all of those operating systems and everywhere. Okay.
Great, so that worked.
Yeah, and you can learn about what these are, which is nice. Let's try the text to speech. Wait, how do I? Okay, language.
What language are you?
Spanish.
Oh, español.
Okay, you have to say.
Oh, ahora tengo que hablar en español. ¿Me estás oyendo?
Nice. What did you just say?
Well, I don't know. You tell me.
Got it. It's awesome.
However, wow, that's really cool. Look at that. That is what I said.
Okay, let's try the speech translation.
Oh, they only let you do the speech. Oh, it's a speech to text demo, not a text to speech demo. Darn, am I going to have to translate my own Spanish speaking?
If you want me to understand, maybe.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Yeah. Jay says you can interact with Azure Cognitive Services using REST. Yes. And all of the other companies too, they all have the REST API. So it works everywhere. That's why I love web. Not everyone agrees, but it's a place where everything is free and accessible, which is really cool.
I think that's important.
Yeah.
I can tell you what I said. I'm sorry. or maybe Seth, can you translate that for us? Can you be our
I know
text?
it's still there.
Oh, I don't know.
So I think we can make Seth translate that. Well, at least read that. Okay. Use this resource. Look at this now.
Oh, fun.
And then we can choose Seth and turn it into speech.
Oh, ahora tengo que hablar en español. ¿Me estás oyendo?
Well, I made a mistake because this is, I don't know if you can hear it anyways. Yes. This is not trained in Spanish. So Seth is reading this as if it's English, but actually we have a way to translate it. It takes some time though.
But he was able to read that.
Yes. And Seth, thank you for letting us use your voice. He has to say it in English. So that's what Seth would say.
Thank you, my friend.
Oh, that's true. That is a Sethism.
Have you have any information about Student Ambassador?
Oh, like the Microsoft Student Ambassador program?
Yes.
They do have a site. We can.
Christopher says even my first year Spanish wasn't that bad. Set Spanish is great. It's just that.
Oh, ahora tengo que hablar en español.
Oh, okay. So it's not trained in Spanish. This is one of the voices that is.
Ni estás oyendo.
It's using set still. No.
Raúl.
Public voice. Confirm.
No? Yo sé.
No, this is. Oh, we found a bug. Another bug to report.
Oh, ahora tengo que hablar en español.
All right, now.
¿Me estás oyendo? Yo sé.
Oh, ahora tengo que hablar en español. ¿Me estás oyendo? Yo sé.
What do you think about the accent?
I think it's very well done. Yeah,
Awesome.
that's super great.
So let's implement this, unless there's any questions over here. Don't see. Okay. 7 new questions here.
All right, let's see.
Is that him or is it generated? Robert asked. So, we have the custom neural voice that Seth trained his voice for, and very nicely, trusting me, gave me access to it. That's how I'm able to generate things with his voice. So it wasn't Seth, but almost Seth. When you don't have Seth right behind you.
There's always fake Seth. Who is the real Seth? Oh, thanks. Microsoft developer put in the chat the student ambassador program. Oh, great. Thank you. Thanks, Peggy.
No, not that one. It's a robot. Yes.
It's robot Seth.
This one. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's robot. Robot said I should train it for Spanish, Mexican Spanish, and try it for the next time.
Oh, yeah. But yeah, you can check out that website. There's an application process for student ambassadors, and they have student ambassadors worldwide. So it's neat. You should check it out.
Okay.
All right. What we're going to do, text to speech? What did we want to do?
Yeah. So I'm thinking, which one should we do? Oh, did you try this?
Oh, the pronunciation assessment.
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you want to try?
I'll try it. Today was a beautiful day. We had a great time taking a long walk outside in the morning. The countryside was in full bloom, yet the air was crisp and cold. Towards the end of the day, clouds came in, forecasting much needed rain. Stop. We need a lot of rain here in California.
Let's see your assessment.
Oh, okay, cool.
Pronunciation score 96.8. Completeness.
Not bad though, right?
Yeah, it's
okay. So English is actually not my first language either. I knew Spanish before I learned English, and I don't know if you're familiar with ESL, English as second language. Like there's ESL. I was in ESL classes when I was younger. Yeah. Well, I don't know if they have the same thing.
Oh no. I mean, I know it from US.
Okay. So okay, they don't have that in Turkey. But yeah.
Yeah. You don't have an accent. At least I can't really tell, which is the advantage of being a kid.
Yeah, when you learn English as a kid, yeah, totally.
Yeah.
People actually never believe that I didn't speak English. I'm like, yeah.
How does the story end?
Well, the story ends with a much-needed rainstorm coming into California and ridding the beautiful...
Go ahead.
ridding the beautiful state of a drought, because we're heading into a drought, very likely.
Yeah.
So
we've been in drought for a long time now.
Yeah. Well, okay.
JSON.
Sweet. All right, so we tried this. This is cool.
Yeah, and there's a sample code and documentation right here, which is really nice. So we could do the JavaScript sample here. Pronunciation assessment config. So we have to have a config reference text, 100 marks, speech recognizer, SDK. Okay. All right. Reference text, grading, granularity, enable MISCU. Okay. So we have to send them the audio. And how are we going to do that? I wonder.
Because wouldn't we have to have
It's not better as compared to Google Translate. This wasn't translation actually, so I can't compare the translation with Google or not, but the thing that we used was speech service, content creation, which was, we just gave the text. It didn't actually translate. It just reads it. Audio content creation, yes. But we do have the translation as well. Oh.
Hi, my name is Aishegul, and I am really excited to share what's new with cognitive services with you.
That's true.
It's like Jenny's reading your mind.
This is okay. Hi from Windows 11. Okay. Audio content creation. So we need to send the recording, and there's the code samples too. Really nice. Read the script for introductory. Okay, code sample to your PC. Let's do that. Node.js. Okay. I guess we have to download all of it.
Okay.
Okay. Well, yeah. Let's do this.
All right.
So VS Code has this cool functionality. I'm going to open a new one and Command-P to git clone, and then we'll clone the repo. Git clone, and then it asks you.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
This is new?
No, I don't think so.
Let's see here. Okay. I'm just trying to see if we have any more questions here.
Okay, the URL. Voila. Let's see. It is.
Is it working? Is it thinking?
Yeah, it's thinking. So this is the JavaScript SDK, and it has the samples in it too. Cognitive services. It makes it a little bit easier. No, it's okay. So, and here's the API documents, SDK documentation. Oops, which is not directly going to SDK documentation, but okay. Speech. All right. Let's go. Let's see. Do we have the code? What happened?
I'm still thinking about it.
Release the repository code from GitHub.
We're thinking about it.
Okay, where do we want this? Services. All right. It's going to open up and we'll take a look. Meanwhile, Oh, we have sample data here too, which is nice. So let's look at the code. We are importing the SDK and getting the settings for speech, intent, translate, synthesis, open push stream. So we are creating a stream. So in real time, this is streaming to get the audio version.
Yeah, that's a file.
All right. Let's see if it downloaded.
Here we go.
Hey there. Open.
Yay.
Do I trust this author? Yeah, I do. I like to color code my editors if I have more than one. So gonna go ahead and make this red.
Oh, yay.
So we can see the difference.
Is red your favorite color? I couldn't tell.
Oh, really? Okay. No. So let's see. There's no package.json there. That's interesting. Oh, me. Okay, there is. Never mind. So I'm going to open up a terminal, and then cd samples. Okay, and just node. Okay, now npm install to see, and we can read the README here for the instructions. Okay, tiny bit big. Speech service for free, language understanding intelligence, Lewis, intent recognition. We should have the Lewis data to update the following settings string with your subscription. So we have the settings here. And I will, your service region, West US 2, we know that one.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and the subscription key, it's never a good idea to paste it here, but for the time-saving purposes, I will. And meanwhile, Vanessa, you have to tell a joke or something.
Okay, I have to. I have to. Okay, all right. This is funny. What did the lumberjack like best about his computer? Does everyone know what a lumberjack is? Do people still even work in this profession? I wonder.
I don't know. But there is a term for lumber. What is it called? I don't know. The guys who look like a lumberjack. There's a term for it, but I'm not sure.
Lumberjacks? Loggers?
Lumbersexual, maybe? I don't know.
Oh my
Never
gosh.
mind.
Okay. Adult content.
Yeah, no, it wasn't. I mean, it's just, yeah, never mind.
Okay, so what did the lumberjack like best about his new computer?
What?
He liked logging in.
Ah.
I kind of gave that. The loggers. Oh, it was on a roll. Oh, nice. That's funny. Actually, that's a good one.
I didn't get that. Yeah. So one of our viewers were asking to compare Apple, Google AI with Microsoft AI, and we don't know, but it would be nice if you try it out and write a blog post about it. We'll read it. So I'm sure different ones are stronger in different things.
For sure.
Yeah.
Robert also asked, do you bother with desktop GitHub or just use the web version?
So I don't actually. I use the VS Code extension instead, or I could just do things here. For example, git status. We could check. Well, I did change it, so I use it. But also, there's a Git extension which helps you clone, add, remove, check out, commit, all of them, all of those things. So it's really cool. Why go anywhere if you can do everything in VS Code, which I believe you can. Yeah. All right. Region default US, your audio file wave. Okay, this was actually my problem, how to create this audio wave file. Okay. It would be great to do it instead with a microphone. Language understanding, app ID. Oh, we must have some sample data here. Audio files. Okay.
Yeah.
Great. All right. We did the npm install, and there's probably a start function here. No, there isn't. Interesting. So what is it saying to us? For intent recognition. All right. So I need to go into the node file. Yeah, I'm there. So let's get this going by typing node index.js. It should run our file. Okay. So index.js, there's options: speech, intent, translate, synthesize. Intent. Okay. File, open content services, speech samples, shares your audio file. Okay, so we have to change the your audio file in intent. Can I close this one out now? Okay. Your not here. I'll search inside all.
Typing on the fly.
Okay.
There we go, your audio file. Okay.
Ah, it was here. Okay. So let's change this URL to something that is on the sample code, sample data. So we are going to go up 2 files. Is it 2? No, more than 2, I think. There is Node and there's JavaScript. Okay. And then, oh, there's 3 actually. Sample data. It's not accepting. Sample audio files. Maybe you type.
Okay, I can type.
I'm having hard to type there. Audio files / about speech SDK .wave.
Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm just gonna write this here. Oops.
We are both
Speech.
Oh, need to drop lower code. Thank you
SDK.
for saying that. Height, race.
Dot.
Yes.
Here we go. Right? Oh, do I need to capitalize this?
Okay. Cool. I hope you can see it now. Sorry about that. In Windows 11, connecting to Azure plus VS Code is more better. I'm not sure, but there's an event next week that you can check it out. And I'm sure they're going to talk about it.
Okay, does this look right over here?
No. Okay. Which one?
Here we go. About speech SDK, right?
Mhm.
Dot wave.
Yes. Let's see what audio files. Yeah, it's okay.
Why is it squiggly at me?
I don't know. We'll see. Oh. So, show error, read stream, add instance. Okay. Did we have to do anything else? Let's see. Concept Sources SDK, we did have that. Did we did npm install all of the
Mhm,
packages, right?
mhm, mhm.
They're where are they? Interesting. I'll do that one more time, just in case. It's inside Node. Maybe I wasn't there. Okay. Now. Okay.
Okay.
Slash file directory open content sources, speech samples, node, your audio file. Huh. Okay, there's another your audio file that we have to find. And then we can change them all here if there was a. Okay, so let's change it with the file that you had filing. I don't know. I hope this works.
All right.
Okay.
Changing it.
What?
Replace. Yay. Install recommended. Oh.
Let's see. It always has some Java extension. No, thank you. I won't need that. All right. Let's run it one more time and see.
See what happens.
Okay. It had an issue. Samples. Okay, so what are we working on? We are actually going to see the speech services, how to create the voice or text to speech, speech to text, basically. Before we were doing the vision. So if you want to follow along, you can find all of the code and everything else. AI playground discussion.
Yep, everything's there. Oh, okay, let's see here. What is this here?
Since I can never be trusted with typing anything, what I do is right click and then copy relative path. And
Okay, so then we need to. Do you think that's the?
We don't have that anymore. Instead, we have this.
Yeah.
All right. That's what I'm gonna do.
I think that's the issue, is the path.
I think so.
Okay.
Right.
Yeah.
Copy relative path. Oh, where's that find? Okay.
Okay, replace again. Oh my.
Let's replace all now.
Yeah. Yeah, here we go.
Okay. Nice. Thank you. Good VS Code. Okay.
All right.
So we failed to read still after replace. Yes.
Yes, what are they hiding? I wish they would tell us.
Yeah, exactly. Sample data audio file about speech SDK wave. Now recognizing intent. Okay, throw an error, no such file or directory is okay. Why? That's interesting. It's complaining about these. Right. Oh my God.
Why is okay? Oops.
Now we're going to change these.
Oh, okay. So it's the backslash, but it doesn't. Okay. I don't understand how that makes sense, but place all.
Okay, we do have it. All right. Let's see. Huh, it's still path open. Okay. Why? Read stream events. Let's see the let's look for read stream.
Okay.
Okay. File name. File name. Okay. So, all right. This needs to be. JavaScript. Oh, I was missing JavaScript. If I was taking the clues that it's giving to us, this wouldn't have happened.
Oh, I see. Okay.
All right. Finally, VS Code figured it out. You're like, you are not doing a good job.
Let me help you.
Oh, but it was giving me the URL for this file. So this is wrong. Let's go back. All right. You need to work now. All right. CD into samples. JS.
Yeah. Those.
Wait a minute. Where's JS? No, it's under quick start.
We're looking for
Our file. CD, quick starts. JavaScript. JavaScript. No. No. I should be able to run. Not that one. Node index.js. Intent. I believe that was it. So it was giving me the clue before. Valid argument, primitive find argument index.js.
Oh, okay. So the code is occluded by the banner. Thanks, Simha.
Oh, sorry. All right.
All right, there you go.
That was the most important part too.
Our bad.
Yeah. You must be wondering what happened.
What's happening?
Okay.
What is happening?
Find module. Modules, nodes. Samples. I am not sure. Resolve file, node, internal modules, CSS loader. I think I didn't read something here. All right, let's look at what is happening on index.js and maybe use the sample data in our code. All right, so we have the SDK, so we have to add Microsoft Cognitive Services SDK, Speech SDK first. All right, let's switch. Create a new one, and we're going to go into Angular app. All right, and npm install speech.
Okay.
Oh
No.
Why typing is so hard? SDK. All right, now I missed the comments. Like I constantly miss something. It's broke. Might be. Yeah, the bottom of the terminal is not there. Thank you. Maybe absolute path instead. Yeah, that's a good idea. It's missing a module. Thank you so much. I wish I seen this a little bit earlier. Don't we all love Node and its friendly errors? Yeah. All right, we installed it. Now, what was it called? Microsoft Speech SDK. All right. Let's see. We will import it, but let's try to create a new component. ngg components, ng generate. This is using Angular CLI components, and we are going to name it speech.
Speech. That makes sense.
Doesn't it?
I think that's a good choice.
Yes. Uh-huh. All right.
And there it is.
Isn't everything nice when things work?
Yeah, let's forget about that other stuff that didn't work.
Okay, so this component is here, but we also have to edit on maybe the product list component. Let's see, app vision. Okay, so I'm going to add the components here too. So, oh, this is vision. No. Where are you, speech? Okay. So Angular, the way it works is with selectors. So app.speech, now we created this. We can just add it to the HTML for products. Oh. Where did you go? No. Okay. Just like this, I'm going to create a new list item. And add the app component each. All right. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for cooperating. I appreciate that. All right. Let's see if we see it. Oh, failed, of course. Okay. What errors were compiling? Products list components. Oh, okay. So I forgot to import it and add it to the module. So we are on this one. You see why the color works?
Ah, okay. Makes sense.
Yeah. So Angular has the app modules. Then you have to actually declare the components here.
Ah, so we didn't do this step. Okay.
Let's see where our vision component was added. This is the vision module. All right, so we had a module there that was added. Okay,
Okay.
But in this case, we didn't create a module for speech. That would have been nice. So I will add the speech component to the main module. Not a good practice, and I know, I'm very much aware of it. Oh, it's here. Okay, speech component, imports, modules, declarations. Okay. Oh no, it is added here.
So then that's interesting.
Yeah. What are you complaining to me about? Multiplying source list. Line 14. Product list component line 14.
It's not an element. What does that mean?
Oh. Do I have the wrong name? All right. Maybe. Oh, we have 15 minutes.
Okay.
Is there any coding required, or we can create that without coding? So that's a great question. There is a way actually that you can create without the code, and it is called. Do you know what I'm talking about?
Applied AI.
No. Good guess, but no. Power Apps.
Oh, Power Apps. That's right. Low code, no code.
Yes. So you can go to, I'll paste powerapps.microsoft.com.
Sure.
And sign up for free. And you can do a drag and drop. Let's see. We're just going to open. I also have a blog post on how to do without coding.
Mm-hmm.
It's a vision example, but you can do the speech one also.
Yeah, there's an AKA. We have an AKA for that.
Oh, here, wait. Yeah, go ahead.
Oh.
You find that. So AI Builder is the thing that you can build with, and it has, I believe, speech, vision, and might have more. Oh, so form processing. This can be a form processing app really easily, or business cards, reader, key phrasing, sentiment analysis. Ooh, text recognition, text translation. Yeah, all of these are available. Which one did I choose? So basically, you click through. Okay, I need to sign in. Not okay. Sign in.
Nice.
Yes.
Okay, I'll put this in the chat here. It is aka.ms low code / cognitive services. I will go ahead and put it in the chat.
Low code /
cognitive services. Yeah, cognitive services.
Yay. Okay. Yeah. In this one, I'm building a custom vision one and training that one. But basically, what you're doing is using these templates, and then there's lots of customizations that you could do.
Cool.
Okay.
Check it out.
All right. Now it created this, and then it's telling me, do you want to do this?
Maybe.
Oh, this is creating a logic app. Okay, it was asking me something else. Sorry, I didn't. Document situation builds. Okay, let's go back.
Oh, we just hit okay. We just said yes. Let's see.
Solution preview on. No. Yes.
Build.
So yeah, it's it has a really nice UI where you could do the drag and drop, and create the app. And also, you don't have to worry about deploying. There's a little app for Power Apps that you can just send a link and people will have the actual phone.
Like the application. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's neat.
Yes. We should do that sometimes.
Okay, let's see.
All right. Cool. We have 10 minutes left.
Okay,
Where were we?
we were trying to figure out what this error meant here.
App speech products list module. Okay, here we need to add that. So do you want to type?
Yep.
Import. One more line.
Oh, one more line. So, oops, my bad.
Yeah.
Here we go. And what are we importing?
Speech component.
Component.
Mm-hmm. And it will be just like this instead of vision. Oh, there's no module. Never mind. It's going to be speech and speech.components, actually. In parentheses. Okay, you got this. I'm checking if we have any other. I heard about West US 3 being hot new thing. Will I get better latency in Edmonton compared to West US or 2? If anything, things should improve instead of becoming worse. So try it out. And if you have any problem, do let us know, please. And it's not available for every service. Also, you know.
Do I need to, this is wrong.
.ts.
.ts, okay. I don't need to.
Oh, you need the speech at the beginning as well. Data and speech.
Oh. Oops, that's wrong. That's wrong. Okay. I don't need to capitalize.
So Robert had a question a long time ago when we were talking about custom vision and being able to, recognize hands.
Do I need to capitalize this thing?
Sorry, let me do it one second. And okay, so yes. As far as I could remember, it was to, movement, right? From right to left. Yeah, you might be able to because, it makes sense. You don't need custom vision. Thank you for correcting that. Because if you're doing this, for example, you're just checking the location which you got. So that would be interesting.
Looking at.
All right. So trying to see, there's other questions I missed. I guess 20 minutes. Okay, good. Okay. I don't know how much you could do with that Power Apps. Have to check it out. Yeah, it is actually super powerful, and integration is very easy too. For example, one of the templates that you have is chatbots, which you can automatically add it to your teams if you want, or create an app with it, which is really nice.
Okay. We've got a few more minutes.
Mm-hmm. Component.ts. Oh no, it's not TS. Never mind. You were right. Shouldn't have doubted you. And okay. Oh, there's the routes products component. Yeah, I wanted that to be there. I guess this is okay.
I saved it. I don't know if we need to save it.
All right. Yeah, it is saved. Let's see if it's going to be okay with that. It's not. Product list components.ts. Okay. Product list component.ts. I don't think I need to have it here. Angular is making me angry now. Each component. All right, let's see.
Okay. Okay, let's see. Sorry.
If
Speech is not a known element.
all right, I'm giving up. You know what? We can just add it to the speech instead. All right. We also have to import the SDK and then maybe use that data. Okay. Hey friends, tune into AI show next week, Friday with Seth, joined by Edward Un and Heiko Raman to talk more about speech text and text to speech. Wow. Yeah. That should be fun. Speech component to the app module. Yeah, I did that at that app module here. Thank you for saying, but for some reason it's still not there. I mean, it's Friday afternoon, not the best time for code edits. Indeed. Thank you for being so understanding. And it's getting really hot in here too. We have a
heat wave, which is hot for California, is not hot for everywhere else. But it is a beautiful sunny day outside that we can see. But yeah, model.ts.
Go ahead. No, I was just thinking to like summarize what we do today.
Let's summarize what we tried to do today.
Yeah.
Jay says not in Bootstrap components area.
Add module not in Bootstrap components. So are you saying in imports in that case? I don't know. Let's see. No, not the whole thing.
Not the whole thing. Let's try it. Doesn't hurt to try.
Or does it not?
Or does it?
Nope. Not this. Yes. Okay. So it's not accepting that because it's not a module. You were supposed to do the modules import here. We can just create a module. But we have 3 minutes left.
Okay.
So let's talk about it. I will push this code right after. We had the vision component and we are giving it a URL, analyzing it for face. We are checking if there is a face in the picture. I thought we were checking also mask, but I guess not. And we are also making a call to the vision service. And on that, we are using visual features, description, adult, face, description, color, model, or celebrities or landmarks. Maybe we should include your images, but actually no need. Do we have any of those images here?
Yeah, we do. Right there.
Oh, cherries.
Cherries.
Look at the excitement. There's less time between you and the cherries now.
I know. We all need to go so Vanessa can have cherries.
But come back. Do come back. So even with the error, it's running, making a call to Vision API, and it's telling us if this is an adult content or not. Definitely not. It Doesn't have categories. Oh, yeah, the colors, green and red, description, tags, captions, group of cherries.
That is
Yeah.
true. That is correct. Yeah.
Indoor fruit red cherry. Awesome. There's no faces. Metadata, we get the height and width and all that cool stuff.
So all is not lost. We did some stuff.
Yes, we had a couple of jokes. Yeah, thank you for all of your questions. It's great, and there's no point of us doing this if you're not here. So thank you so much for joining.
Thank you. See y'all next time. Bye.